everyone. I hope you're all okay. I miss you all very, very much, but I trust you're all keeping safe and well at home, which is all that matters at the moment. So I am here today to make my YouTube debut to do a science experiment. Now, my class, I know what you're all thinking. We all know I am definitely no scientist, but it doesn't mean that I can't like science. I still really enjoy it, especially the experimental side. So today I thought we could do a lava lamp experiment, and the reason why I chose this one is because well, it only uses stuff that you've probably already got at home already, so you don't need to go out or anything like that, and B, it just looks really fun, and I love lava lamps. I think they're really cool. Some might suggest that they're not very cool anymore, but so we're gonna get started. So what you're gonna need for this is a bottle, plastic bottle, or a glass, or anything basically see-through. You're going to need a bit of water. You're gonna need some oil, and you're gonna need some food colouring. Oh, and you're also going to need some kind of tablet that will dissolve. So this could be something like Alka-Seltzer, which is a headache tablet, or you could use the Milton tablets. Grown-ups, you might know which ones I'm talking about. But today, I don't actually have any of those things at home, so I'm improvising a little bit, and I'm using my vitamin C tablets that I take in the mornings because I'm assuming and I'm hoping it will work because it has got an acid and a base in it, so it should be okay, fingers crossed. So remember guys, when we're doing science we have to be extra sensible and extra careful, and grown-ups, if you could please assist your children with this, that would be great. So first thing we are going to do then, you're going to get your bottle or glass thing of choice, and you're going to start by pouring your oil into the bottle. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if your household is anything like mine, and your mum buys massive litres of oil, then it might not be so sensible to pour this straight into the bottle. So what I've done is I've poured it into a smaller jug with a little spout, so it might just be easier to pour. So I'm going to just go ahead and pour it in. Oh no. Okay, so we've got to do this really carefully. Don't worry if there's a little bit of spillage, kids. I'm sure you will help your grown-ups clean up afterwards. So it doesn't really matter how much you fill the bottle or the glass. Sorry, I just realised you can't really see. I'm really sorry about any bad angles, guys. I did not choose the YouTube life. The YouTube life chose me. So, okay, I have filled my oil up to about here. Now, it doesn't really matter how much you fill it up, I don't think. So don't worry about any specific measurements or anything like that. We're just gonna go with it and we're just gonna have fun. I used, I think, about half a litre, filled it up to about there. So once you've got your oil in the bottle, what you're going to do next is take your water and you're going to just fill it, not lots to be fair, you're just going to put in a little bit. So can you see? Yeah, I think you can see. So I'm just going to put in about this much. Yeah, about that. Okay, I might just add a little bit more, just for good measure. Okay. So as you can see that the water is starting to sink to the bottom. Now, some of you might be wondering why that is. And that is because water is more dense than oil. So that means it's got a lot more molecules inside it, a lot more particles that hold it together. And therefore it basically just sinks to the bottom, whereas oils are stuck together with a lot more bigger particles. So that will be the one that sits on the top. Okay, so now we've got our water at the bottom. What we're going to do next is get some food colouring. So I had a look in my cupboards, got some blue, I've got some red. I think I'm going to go with the red one because I'm hoping that this will look a lot brighter, hopefully. So you're just going to get your food colouring and pop a couple of drops in, like so. Okay, I might just put in a little bit more. Okay, so you can see, just like the water, the food colouring is also sinking to the bottom because it is more dense than the oil. Okay, so now that we have added our food colouring, we are gonna hope that when we add our dissolvable tablet inside our mixture, that it will just dissolve and basically create our very own lava lamp. So let's just see if this works. Okay, so I've got my dissolvable tablet, and as much as I'd love to just plop it straight in, it's not quite gonna fit. So I'm gonna break it up. Okay, and I might just hold the bottle here so you can see what's happening. So I'm gonna just put the first one in, and then I am gonna put the second one in as well, and let's see what happens. Oh, okay, I'm seeing stuff. Oh, okay, so you can see, I hope you can see quite clearly, but you can see that the tablet is reacting with the mixture inside the bottle, and it's causing the water molecules to rise to the top. And we've got our very own lava lamp. Ah, that's really cool. I don't know if you can see at the bottom as well, it's starting to rise. So it's mixing with the carbon dioxide, which is causing it to rise to the top and stay there. Wow. Oh, I'm so glad that worked. That is really cool. Oh, okay. So what do you think we could do to make it even more dramatic? Do you think we would need to add more water or oil or some of this? I think we would probably need to add more of this stuff to make it even more exciting. So if you are going to have a go at doing this at home, then have a play around. See, you know, what happens when you add different amounts of water into different size bottles, or different amounts of oil, different numbers of tablets, okay? But whatever you do, just make sure you remember that a grown-up is supervising you to do this really cool stuff, and please don't drink it, because that wouldn't be very nice. But yeah, wow, okay, so we've got a very own lava lamp, everyone. That was really, really cool. And you can actually, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it fizzing a little bit. Very sciencey. Yay. Okay, so what I might do is pop the lid on this bottle, because I've just literally used an empty water bottle. And I think that is enough of me now. I am going to go off and enjoy my lava lamp and go and share it with my family. So if you manage to get hold of any of this stuff and you have a go at doing this experiment, please email me, let me know, send me photos, videos, or of anything else you get up to. I love to hear all the cool stuff that you've been up to, and hearing from you puts a really big smile on my face. So yeah, enjoy. I hope that was fun to watch, and I will speak to you all very soon. Bye.